Our man Shrikesh Choksi is launching his very own jewelry brand Frostbite finally. And we're going to take a look at some of the coolest jewelry we have seen in our previous What's Your Outfit videos and what the people here are wearing. Let's check it out. Go to the Frostbite website and check out the latest collection called the Motifs of Mumbai and get some fresh drip for yourself now.
Hello.
What are you wearing today?
I am with
Country outfit.
Stamp
Duty shirt. Where's your skirt from?
Ciao Lucia.
Where?
LA-based boutique. Ciao Lucia.
Amazing.
Yeah.
The shoes.
They're Coach.
Coach.
Yeah.
Mid on the shoes. Then you got a jewelry.
Okay, these are from this. I'm gonna sound so bad and bougie. From the Hamptons. This local store. My friend makes these in LA.
Amazing. And your handbag?
This is by far official.
And your neck pieces?
This is my grandma's from like the 1950s, and this I have no idea.
I know you're
My earrings, I bought it from my cousin.
incredible. What's your outfit? OG.
What up?
Valedictorian of the class.
Quote me again, huh?
What are we wearing? Let's take a look.
OMC shirt, Black Sheep t-shirt,
But white.
APC jeans,
Beautiful. Shoes.
clocks. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. It's not all
Get the
about.
bag. Get the bag.
It's not all about Nike, and you can bleep that out right now. You can.
What's the bag?
Sophie Blue, my Junior Watanabe chain.
Alright.
Chopper Chops lollipop stick.
Yeah, you look so
Bari.
fashionable today. Wow.
Bari
What is
kapde.
this? Where is your shirt from?
My shirt is from Vedu's cupboard.
Yuck, don't lie. Don't lie. Where are your pants from?
अच्छा ब्रांड है भाई, गेयर नहीं है. Affordable है भाई. I went to Zara, bro. Zara.
Pants cars.
Zara.
And shoes.
Nike Air Force Ones.
Bilal is such a simple guy. Amazing. Such an inspiration to us all. We gotta understand what's going on with the stash. Oh, wow. We're very concerned. Are you okay?
I'm doing okay.
You sure?
Super
Okay,
okay.
tell me what you're wearing.
It's an old Pulp Fiction t-shirt.
Beautiful.
I don't know, I bought this off of Instagram.
Thrift is cool.
Thrift is cool, and Poland's AJ ones.
Nice. And what about the jewelry? Where's the neck piece from?
It was a gift. Thank you, Pooja.
Thank you, Pooja.
And I don't know where this is from.
Shout out to Frostbite.
The bell of the ball.
The man of the hour. What are you wearing, sir? Tell us.
It's a custom-made stamp duty
With
jacket.
some motifs of
With some
Mumbai.
motifs of Mumbai, you know it.
Go.
The pants are Uniqlo, very
Nice.
classic. These are my tabbies. I just,
Woo.
and
Clean.
that's the
Tell me about the
outfit.
jewelry.
The jewelry is Frostbite. That's my brand.
We know.
Frostbite Doll Lab. Check out the jewelry over there. It's all here.
Big shout out.
And
Congratulations.
Thank you
bro.
so much. Love it.
What am I wearing? I'm wearing custom AVG pants. I made these myself. I'm wearing a Uniqlo flannel, and I'm wearing a knit from COS.
Tell me about the jewelry. You got a
That's
lot.
not my jewelry. This is a custom baguette that I got made from my friend. He
Clean.
does some lab-grown diamond. This is a vintage find from Florence. This is something that my mum gave me. This is a random signet. And so there you go.
Very cool. Tell me more.
This is my YSL bag.
YSL bag. Looks like something you could get on certified thrift.
Indeed, certified thrift.
Zara
That's
jeans.
Terra shirt, by the way. Would you like to take your words back?
Terra Santa Claus category. Lena runs a very cool brand called Terractive. We'll plug them right here. What about your shoes? Shoes are Gucci. Fancy. And a bag? Bag is Dior. Very nice. Get a quick shot. What are you wearing today? Tell us about your outfit.
Honestly, I decided to extend.
Nimbu.
No. Don't you think Grinch sounds better?
Tell me about the fit. You got a very nice Bottega bag.
Yeah, I know it all
What are
matches.
your earrings?
There's Simpson jewelry, which is also showcasing here. Then this is Dave, which is also showcasing here. So I'm
Really
supporting all my
embodying the
friends
event.
today.
We got
Louis
supporting
Vuittons.
nice upcoming designers, young upcoming artists. Outfit for us.
Breakdown outfit? Okay. Sunglasses are vintage Dior from Paris. Purse is Chanel. This is from the brand Praying from the US. It says father figure because I'm your daddy. This is a Caperni skirt. And the shoes are, I think, from Mango, but I don't believe in buying expensive shoes because they go on the floor. So the shoes are cheap.
You are invalidating like my life's purpose. Shakti Khurana is going to run us through his incredible outfit. Please tell me about this jacket first. It's beautiful.
So yeah, this is an Australian designer called Blair Archibald.
Let's see the rest of it. You have some cool shoes on. What are they? Ambush?
Yeah,
You got the ambush hands. You got a dope watch. What is the watch?
Yeah. Oh God.
It's a very nice rollie.
I should not be talking
Should
about
not be
it.
talking about Pepsi. Very nice. And you got some very cool Chanel earrings. I see
So
that.
I haven't got my ears pierced.
Oh,
It's a clip-on.
the clip-on.
It's
Nice.
a clip-on.
And
I
you
try to pick
got
up.
the Tom Ford glasses,
yes.
Moschino cap, and a very cool Loewe bag.
Hey, how's it going?
The whole outfit, top to bottom, is dripping.
Yes.
I love it. Your bracelet is also Chanel, and your and your ring is Louis V.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Beautiful. Fashion enthusiast. Ori is wearing today what? Y3.
Y3.
Y Project. Not
Project,
Y3. Oh shit.
Jean-Paul Gaultier.
Jean-Paul Gaultier. Wearing some Jordans. Shout out Main Street.
Cartier.
Chrome Hearts, Cartier. What else? What are the earrings?
Amazon.
Amazon.
Wearing a jacket by Celine. by
Celine.
Eddie Slimane, and the pants are Celine. The shoes are Converse, but they are actually Chrome Hearts Converse.
Oh, sick.
So they have
Chrome Hearts detailing.
real silver hardware. So all of this is real silver. So
It's a dope outfit, man.
Yeah.
What are the sunglasses and the watch?
These are Chrome Hearts. The watch is AP,
Oh, beautiful.
and it's Chrome Hearts and Chrome Hearts.
That's a fire outfit.
This is
As always.
This is Dior. This one. This is from 2005. It's 18 years old.
I love it.
Now
I
you're
won an
lying.
award for fashion and business excellence.
Oh, lovely. That makes
How do
sense.
you like my outfit? The classic.
It's Steve Jobs from Pune. It's giving Steve Jobs from Pune.
Big dog, what are you wearing today?
What am I wearing today?
You're sneaky with it. What a can I just say, you never fail to amaze me. It's beautiful. What are the shoes? Boris.
BBS.
Yes, sir.
BBS Solomon. Margiela jeans, thrifted. Supreme Hanes t-shirt, thrifted.
Back in 3.
Old school US military jacket, thrifted.
What's the bag?
Bro, the bag is Sophie Hulme. Apparently, I looked it up when I bought it. It's quiet luxury from England, but it's thrifted. Alix,
Yes, sir.
Raf, Cartier,
Beautiful. My God.
Comme des Garçons, Chrome Hearts.
Can't get enough, man. I could listen to you talk for years.
Thank you, man. Love, bro.
Beautiful,
Love.
man. What an outfit. You got it? Come on.
I think it's from
You have to
Massimo.
Massimo? It's a nice shirt. I could buy it. What are your pants?
Pants are from Diesel.
And your shoes?
Xenia.
Xenia. And your watch? Actually, very nice. Very nice Daytona.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice. What are you wearing? What is your outfit? What are these pants?
Mystery pants.
What are mystery pants?
Mystery brand in Italy.
And what are your shoes?
My shoes are YSL.
Your shirt?
My shirt is Zara, man.
Zara. And your watch?
Mixing it up.
Nice Serpenti.
My watch is a thrift.
A man Tazzy, aka Tarush, aka Pyrex Vision, has pulled up. What is the sweatshirt? The sweater.
So this is a Japanese brand, Kidil. I
Okay.
found it in London.
Your pants?
APC.
APC. Your shoes?
Shoes are from
Street.
the boys.
Shout out, mate.
Shoes are from the boys.
Your t-shirt? What is the t-shirt?
This is some Australian brand, bro. And I was walking around Shoreditch and I just
Yeah.
saw this store.
Yeah.
I was like,
And
fuck
your
it.
chain is?
That's a Rick chain. That's a chrome chain.
And then you got the Louis V
And
bag.
then I got the light work.
Whew.
I got the light.
I'm
the
sweating.
light work. No one can see what's inside it. You know what I'm saying?
Touch wood, man.
Contraband.
Do we need to know more fits or is that the whole video? That's it. We're done.
Support Vedant Lamba.
We love Vedant Lamba.
We love Vedant Lamba, but why do you make cotton everywhere, man?